How does the capabilities of the legacy software platform gear with the automation technology? Microsoft SharePoint is a browser-based collaboration and document management platform. There are similar other browser-based platforms as well. SharePoint is a robust business platform that offers brilliant improved collaboration, content management, search and business intelligence capabilities to organizations all over the world. SharePoint is highly used in increasing the business productivity as well as efficiency. However, for many users, SharePoint is somewhat difficult to navigate. It is tedious to maintain SharePoint sites and time-consuming to monitor the status of their documents. Here is where Robotic Process Automation (RPA) comes into the picture. Robotic Process Automation is an emerging business process automation technology which has the power to enhance the SharePoint collaboration platform with automation capabilities. The leading organizations always have been integrating the RPA with the SharePoint applications to automate the major SharePoint processes from a single platform. Also, by implementing RPA with business applications like ERP, ERM, finance, HR and etc., you can bring your disparate systems and the legacy data together in one single system. Using RPA, one can access SharePoint files faster than the usual. In short, RPA can automate multiple manual tasks in your SharePoint platforms within no time and give you an output within the blink of an eye. How does the legacy system with RPA works? 1. RPA helps to navigate SharePoint applications. 2. Executes backups consistently. 3. Deploying automated SharePoint views. 4. Easily manage your document approvals and also the payment process. Some of the advantages of integrating RPA in SharePoint. Organize SharePoint users and groups. Check the status of in and out files automatically. Better manage, rectify, and command SharePoint workflows. Experience reduced latency, errors, and operational costs. Upload and download files to SharePoint in no time. Automate your entire SharePoint platform. SharePoint automation has turned from a useful asset into a necessary tool for organizations that want to help their workforce stay more efficient and productive. Integrating RPA in your SharePoint platform is one of the brilliant ways to see how the business scales up. Increasingly, companies are looking for ways to automate repetitive internal processes, but most cannot simply rip and replace the systems that they have in place and go for the latest and greatest AI technologies. But with RPA, it helps to drive the legacy businesses to the greater heights. If you are looking for more information, DM Catnip Infotech for more queries on automation.